Hi friends, today's video is about how you can fix error with relate to your printer. Suppose if you are getting an error like operation could not be completed and the error code what you are seeing on the screen right now, then there is a solutions to fix that. So here are the solutions what you can do to resolve it and get back to printing. So the first thing you can do is to check for the interference from other printers. If multiple printers are connected, Windows may occasionally display the operations could not be completed error when attempting to change the default printer. To avoid any interference, disconnect all other printers except the one which you want to set as default. After that, you should not encounter any errors. Now the second option is to run the printer troubleshooter. Running the built-in printer troubleshooter on Windows is an effective way of fixing all kind of printer related errors. So for that, you have to click on the start button and then go to the settings, and from here just click on system tab, and on the right pane click on troubleshoot. Just look for troubleshoot here, you will get it here. Just open it and then go to other troubleshooters. Now from here locate printer, you can see it here, then click on the run button. So wait for the troubleshooter to run and then try to change the default printer again. That's it. Now the third solution is to change printer preferences. By default, Windows manages the default printer for you. While this feature is helpful, especially if you frequently connect to different printers, it can sometimes cause problems, hence it's best to disable it. Now for that again you have to go to the start, then to the settings, and then Bluetooth and devices, and on the right pane click printer and scanner. Now under the printer preference section here, turn off the toggle next to Windows manage my default printer. Just turn it off. Now the fourth solution which you can try is to rename the printer in the registry editor. This particular error that ends with 709 error message advises you to set the printer's name correctly. In this next step, you will rename it manually in the registry editor. Now for that, just open start. From here, just search for registry editor. You will get it here. Just open it. Now from here, go to this particular location. This is the location. H key current user, software, then Microsoft, then Windows NT, current version and Windows. Just enter it directly to this location. Now just right click on the device entry in the right pane and then double click on it to take you to the editor window. Now in the value field, replace the first entry with the name of your printer. Just you can give the name of your printer here and then click on OK. Now make sure that you should restart your computer after completing these above steps. Now the next solution is to uninstall the problematic update. If you are encountered with the error 709 right after installing a Windows update, then you have to uninstall that update. Now for that, just go to the start, from there to the settings, and then from here just go to Windows Update and just look for update history. Now scroll down and under related settings just go to uninstall updates. Now you will see all the recent updates here. Just uninstall or roll back the update. Now after that, restart your computer and check if that is solved. That's it. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.